Good afternoon all of us. Yesterday discussion in topic final account of banking companies. In this topic under concept discussion for topic objective, bank word, Banking Regulation Act 1949, Companies Act 2013, bank asset, legal provision, non-banking asset, core banking system. In this all concept discuss for yesterday. Today discussion in final account of banking companies, all format. In this all format, the Bank Regulation Act 1949 under section 29 under all provision and all schedules, and form number A balance sheet, form number B profit and loss account. In this format and total 16 schedule, this all format that discuss for today. In this continuous all schedules and all content are compulsory in form number A, form number B and all schedule. Schedule first capital, schedule second reserve and surplus, third deposit, etc. All 16 schedule in this continuous for discuss and detail schedule for the banking companies account under, and all schedule related and all content related the importance of Banking Regulation Act 1949 under section 29 under all provision for bank. In this first form, the third schedule, form number A balance sheet. In this format, for the form number A, in firstly completed for the form number A, in this first column particular year ending balance sheet as on that date, and first column particular, second column schedule number, third column as on 31st March every year, in this current year amount year mentioned, and fourth column as on 31st March every year, in this previous year amount in this fourth column mentioned. In this form number first, in this compulsory balance sheet, here starting mention for the capital and liabilities. All capital and liabilities firstly mentioned for form number A. This year mentioned capital schedule number first, amount year mentioned, only current year amount mentioned, not previous year, only all amount mentioned for the current year. Next reserve and surplus schedule number second, amount year mentioned. Next deposit schedule number third, amount current year column for mention. Next borrowing schedule number 4, amount mentioned for the current year only. Next other liabilities and provision schedule number 5, amount mentioned for the current year. In this all amount total year mentioned, in this total for all capital and liabilities total year mentioned. Next asset, in this asset under all asset here mentioned for the day to day and continuous. For the first asset cash and balance with Reserve Bank of India schedule number 6, amount mentioned for current year column. Next balance with bank and money at call and short notice schedule number 7, amount mentioned for current year. Next investment schedule number 8, amount mentioned for the current year. Next advances schedule number 9, amount mentioned for current year. Next fixed asset schedule number 10, amount mentioned for the current year. Next other asset schedule number 11, amount mentioned for current year, and all current year amount total year mentioned. Next contingent liability schedule number 12, in this amount only effect only year, other not effect, only effect year. Bill for collection. In this bill for collection for the bank related, which are the effect only year, other not effect, only two effect in this year. Next form number B, it is second format, form number B, profit and loss account for the year ended. In this first column particular, second column schedule number, third column current year amount, and fourth column previous year amount as on 31st March every year. Here form number B is in this profit and loss account under by the step by step in this continuous for the all format, in this compulsory format for the form number B. Here mentioned major point first, income. This income under two schedule, schedule number 13 and 14. Firstly schedule interest earned, schedule number 13, amount mentioned here only current year amount. Next other income, schedule number 14, amount mentioned only current year, not previous year, only current year amount mentioned. In this two schedule amount here total mention. Next major point second, expenditure. Expenditure under two schedule included and bank under provision and contingency. In this include for the expenditure under firstly interest expended, schedule number 15, amount mentioned for current year. Next operating expenses, schedule number 16, amount here mentioned, and bank under in this year for the all provision and contingency for the mention for the year and total amount here mentioned, and all amount total in this year mentioned in this expenditure amount and income amount. And income amount minus expenditure amount here calculated for the net profit or net loss in this year amount mentioned. Third point, profit and loss. This profit and loss account under the current year net profit in this year mentioned, net profit, net loss in this year mentioned, and calculated for the income minus expenditure in this calculated net profit for the year mentioned, in this year mentioned, and total in this amount total year mentioned in this profit and loss account. And fourth point, appropriation. Appropriation under the related point and effect for the statutory reserve, schedule number 2nd, reserve and surplus in this related for the format. Firstly, transfer to statutory reserve. Your statutory reserve here mentioned in statutory reserve calculated for the 20% in this Banking Regulation Act rules. In this 1949 under section 29 under 20% calculated in this transfer to statutory reserve calculated for only net profit in this current year calculated net profit on calculated only 20% general reserve, sorry, statutory reserve in this year mentioned. And second effect here statutory reserve, schedule number 2nd, reserve and surplus in this add for the statutory reserve addition amount in this 20% transferable. Next, transfer to other reserve, mention amount here, and second effect here transfer reserve, schedule number 2nd, reserve and surplus. Continues, transfer to government proposed dividend in this year mentioned, and second effect reserve and surplus, schedule number 2nd. Lastly, balance carried over to balance sheet. In this carried down amount for the year calculated in this two effect for the profit and loss account and appropriation account in this calculated for the balance in figure in this year calculated, and which are the amount in this balance figure transfer for schedule number 2nd, reserve and surplus in this year amount transfer, balance carried down amount transfer for the schedule number 2nd, and here total mention in this form number B. And form number B all schedule completed all schedule total completed, and after close B form, and lastly close form number A, and all schedule discuss and details for the continuous. Schedule number first, capital. In this all schedule same format, in this column all columns same, in this total 16 schedule, in this first column particular, second column as on 31st March every year, in the bracket current year amount year mentioned, and third column as on 31st March every year, in this previous year amount year mentioned, and all amount related in this current year mentioned for the year mentioned or schedules. In this amount problem adjustment, in this related, in this all adjustment and all transaction for the amount effect current year previous year effect mentioned. In this first schedule capital year mentioned, firstly nationalized bank. In this nationalized bank under the capital provided for the mention for the current year. Next, for bank incorporated outside India. In this bank incorporated outside India, provided for the capital in this year mention only current year column year. Next major point, back in this Banking Regulation Act under the outside India, in this provided for the capital in this section 11 subsection 2 under the other outside India capital provided for the year section under mention in this year. Next major point third, other banks. Here other banks under continuous capital, authorized capital. All bank in this authorized capital is compulsory. Authorized capital year mentioned in this only format here, which are the all companies business in this related shares of the in this share price year mentioned, and this continuous amount for the year only mentioned. In this authorized capital not allowed amount in this total, but other capital balance in this allowed for the total, but not authorized capital in this included, not included, only authorized capital only year mentioned. Next, issued capital amount year mentioned in this current year. Next, subscribed capital, called up capital in this amount year mentioned, and called up capital amount in this inner, and called up capital minus call unpaid amount year inner for the minus, and add in this called up capital under the add perpetual share amount inner in this minus plus, and amount outer current year mentioned, and all amounted year total for the all amount year total, and in this amount after transfer form number A in this capital and liabilities in this firstly mentioned in this schedule number first. Next schedule number second, reserve and surplus. Second schedule, all schedule in this format, column format same, particular current year amount previous year amount, statutory reserve mentioned for the inner, and addition opening balance addition during the year 20% amount here in this addition, and deduction during the year amount plus minus amount outer in this only current year column. Secondly, capital reserve your opening balance in this inner amount, and continuous addition amount, deduction amount plus minus in this amount here mentioned. Next, share premium same effect, share premium in this only format, amount inner, opening, addition and deduction amount for the year inner, and outer for the current year amount mentioned. Next, revenue and other reserve in this amount for the inner, in this addition amount minus deduction amount in this year, and outer amount for the plus minus in this outer amount. And lastly effect, balance in profit and loss account. In this effect for the transferable form number B, in this lastly close for the balance in figure calculated, which are the amount here transferable and amount here mentioned. In this schedule number 2nd, in this lastly close and after close balance sheet. In this schedule, this lastly close and all amount total here mentioned. Next, schedule number 3, deposit. All bank under or deposit in this here schedule mentioned. In this continuous format, firstly demand deposit here mentioned, in this inner mention. Next point, form bank amount inner here, form other here mention, amount outer. Next, saving bank deposit amount current year mention. Next, term deposit amount inner mention, addition from the bank here inner, addition from the other, total amount outer here mention. Next, deposit of branches in India amount mentioned for the current year. And next, deposit of branches outside India. In this total for the all amount total here mentioned, and this all deposit and related the adjustment and new old provision in this included the adjustment in this effect in this continuous and close for their total. And in this schedule amount transferable by schedule number form number A, balance sheet. In this capital and liabilities under in this amount transferable. Next, schedule number 4, borrowing. All banks related all borrowing in this mention for in this schedule number 4, borrowing. In this borrowing schedule format, in this continuous borrowing in India, amount mention is this continuous inner, Reserve Bank of India amount mention for inner, other bank amount mention inner, other institution and agencies amount inner, and total addition amount total here current year mention. Secondly, borrowing outside India amount mention for the outer in this only current year column. Secured borrowing in indicate in the bank adjustment and bank provision in this year addition and amount here current year mention in this all amount total here mention in this form number schedule number 4. And schedule number 4, total transferable form number A in capital and liabilities under. Next, schedule number 5, other liabilities and provision, same format for the column particular current year amount, previous year amount. In this all bank under all liabilities and provision all included and mentioned for the form schedule number 5. In this continuous bills payable mention, amount current year column in this year mention. Next, inter office adjustment amount current year mention, interest accrued amount current year mention, and other including provision, liabilities related provision, other bank provision. In this related for the problem companies bank related the provision for the year mention, and total amount total year mention. In this total transfer for the form number A in capital and liabilities under mention. Next schedule title, schedule number 6, cash and balance with Reserve Bank of India. Bank related all cash balance and all cash mentioned for schedule number 6. In this firstly cash in hand year mentioned current year. Next, balance with Reserve Bank of India in this year mentioned inner, and addition current account balance year mentioned in inner, and second other account year addition in this inner, and total balance with Reserve Bank of India year amount in this lastly mentioned for the current year column. and all amount total here mention and close for schedule number 6, and here amount transferable for form number A. And which are the amount transfer? Only form number A under asset under mention. Next schedule, schedule number 7, balance with bank and money at call and short notice. Bank related all bank balance, money at call and short notice in this related for the schedule number 7, and useful and uses of the schedule number 7 in this format, continuous format and detail. Continue first in India under by the bank balance under balance with bank, amount here inner mention. Next addition in current account, other deposit account, in this amount total addition and outer amount in this current year column for the mention in this bank balance. Next point, money at call and short notice, amount mention for the inner and addition for the with bank with other institution in this inner amount addition and total money at call and short notice amount in the transferable addition amount in this year current year column. Next, outside India in this major point second, and addition outside India in this addition for the bank related bank balance in this related for the outside India here mention current account, amount mention inner. Next, other deposit account, amount mention inner, money at call and short notice, amount mention for the inner, and total in this total outside India in this provided for the all accounts related the amount here total and out mention for the year amount current year amount mention, and all amount grand total here mention in this schedule number 7 are closed. And in this total transfer for form number A, under asset under transferable for schedule number 7 amount. Next schedule, schedule number 8, सर शेड्यूल येत नाही आहेत इथे PPT पुढे जात नाही आहे नाही म्हणजे थोडं थांबा इथे PPT पुढे जात नाही इथे जरा प्रॉब्लेम आलेला आहे जरा थांबा तिथे मग PPT पुढे जात नाही आहे एंटर दिला तरी जात नाही आहे हा गेले आता गेले आता हा गेले आता गेलेले ओके हाँ इधर मध्य continuous. Next schedule number 8, investment. In this bank related investment in this bank balance and bank asset for the all mention for the investment schedule number 8. It is mentioned for the format investment in India, amount all mention only inner, government securities amount mention inner. Next, other approved securities amount mention for the inner, shares amount mention inner, debenture and bonds amount mention inner, subsidiaries amount mention inner, and other investment amount mention for the inner, and total amount here total all items total in this year mentioned current year amount. Next major point second, investment outside India. In this related for the all investment outside India in this provided which are the bank in this bank balance in bank investment here mentioned in this continuous, government securities amount mention inner. Next, subsidiaries amount mention inner. Next, other investment amount mention inner. This 3 point total amount mention for the current year and all year amount total this year grand total year mention, and schedule number 8 are closed. And in this amount transferable, schedule number 8, amount transferable, form number A, under asset under investment amount mentioned. Next, schedule number 9, advances. Bank under the real asset, real property for the in this schedule number 9 under mention for the advances. In this all items, in this day to day, in this step by step mention for the all amount mention only current year amount. This firstly, bill purchase and discounted amount measure inner, cash credit, overdraft and loan repayable on demand, amount mention inner, term loan amount mention inner, and total 3 point addition and amount outer year mention. Next, secured by tangible asset, amount mention inner, covered by bank, amount mention inner, unsecured, amount mention inner, and here total or 3 point totals in this year mention for the current year. Next major point, advances in India, amount mentioned for inner, priority sectors, amount mentioned inner, public sector, amount mentioned inner, banks, amount mentioned inner, other amount here mentioned, and all amount total are here transferable for outer amount here total mention. Next, advances outside India. Advances outside India in these points, under the all points related, due from bank, amount mentioned inner, due from other bank, amount mentioned inner, bill purchase and discounted, syndicated loans, others, advances in this year mention for the inner, and total for the in this all points total in this mention for the current year column, not previous year, only current year, and all amount total year mention and schedule number 9 are closed, and which are the amount transfer to form number A, balance sheet under asset under included for the advances amounted mention. Next, schedule number 10, fixed asset. In this all asset related, the bank related, the fixed asset mention for the in this schedule. In this, firstly, premises amount mention only inner, and this addition amount in this premises here addition. Next, deduction during the year amount in this minus for the deduction amount, and depreciation in this amount here mention in this minus, this addition minus in this total plus minus, and outer amount in this mention for the current year. Next, other fixed asset including furniture and fixtures, in this mention amount for the year inner, and addition amount add, and next deduction and depreciation in this both amount for the minus, and total amount addition deduction plus minus, and total amount here mentioned for the furniture and fixtures, and related for current year amount in this year total, and close for schedule number 10. And schedule number 10 in this transferable for the amount in this form number A, balance sheet. Schedule number 11, other asset. In this other asset mentioned for the schedule number 11, in this continuous, firstly, inter-office adjustment amount mentioned current year column, interest accrued amount mentioned outer, tax paid in advances amount mentioned for the year, stationery and stamp amount mentioned for the current year amount, non-banking asset acquired in satisfaction of claim, and others in this all amount mentioned for the current year, and all amount total year mentioned are closed for schedule number 11. In this amount transfer for the form number A under by the asset under the amount mentioned. Next, schedule number 12, contingent liabilities. In this, all contingent liabilities in this bank under the contingent liability, in this mention for the schedule number 12 and all effect for the only year, only schedule number 12, other not effect in this contingent liabilities. This claim agents and the bank not acknowledged as debt, bank in this balance mentioned for the current year. Next, liabilities for partly paid investment amount mentioned for the outer for the current year. Next, liabilities on account of outstanding forward exchange contract, in this amount mentioned for the current year. Continuous guarantees given on behalf of constitution, in this amount mentioned for the year. Next, in India, in outside India, here contingent liabilities and guarantees given for the amount here mentioned. Next, acceptance, endorsement and other obligation for the year contingent liabilities here in this amount mentioned for the current year column. Next, other items for which the bank is contingent liable for the related the amount mentioned for current year column, and all amount total in this, these are here mentioned in this total and balance sheet 12 are closed, and in this amount transfer form number A, and lastly effect, in this effect other not, in this only effect mentioned, other not effect in this form schedule number 12. Next, schedule number 13, interest earned. Bank related the all interest earned in this mention for form number schedule number 13. This continuous interest, discount and advances, bills, mention amount year outer current year. Income on investment amount mentioned for the current year. Next, interest on balance with Reserve Bank of India and other interbank fund, mention amount current year column, and other interest earned mentioned for the year, and all amount total and are closed for the schedule number 13 in this year amount for close, and which are the amount transfer for form number B, major point second, major point first under included amount for the schedule number 13 in the transferable for form number B. Next schedule, schedule number 14, other income. Bank related the other income, this provided and enter adjustment all statement in this mention for form number schedule number 14 in this other income. This continues commission, exchange and brokerage amount mentioned for the outer. Next, profit on sale of investment amount mentioned for the inner, and which are the amount less loss on sale of investment, here amount less in this plus minus in this amount for here to mention for the outer. Next, profit on revaluation of investment amount mentioned for the inner, and less loss on revaluation of investment amount mentioned in this inner, and outer amount for the minus amount in this calculated minus amount in this mention for the current year. Next, profit on sale of land, building and other asset amount mentioned in this year, inner amount mentioned, and less loss on sale of land and building and other asset amount mentioned inner, and minus amount in this transfer amount in this outer. Next, profit on exchange transaction amount mentioned inner, and minus loss on exchange transaction amount mentioned in this inner, and minus amount in this mention for the current year amount. Continues income earned by way of dividend etc. from subsidiaries amount mentioned for outer. Next, miscellaneous income amount mentioned for the outer, and all amount total year mentioned in this are closed for the schedule number 14. In this schedule number 14 are closed, and which are the amount transfer. This amount transfer form number B. Major point first under included in this schedule number 14 amount addition. Next schedule, schedule number 15, interest expended. Interest expended, it is bank related or interest expended related the expenses here mentioned for schedule number 15. Interest on deposit amount mentioned for current year column. Next, interest on Reserve Bank of India amount mentioned in this year, and other interest expenditures in this mention for the year, and all amount total year mentioned are closed for schedule number 15. In this interest expended, in this transferable for schedule number 15, in this transferable for the in which the total for form number B, major point second under for the expenditure under in this amount included. Last schedule, schedule number 16, operating expenses. In this bank related, bank operate the all expenses related allowed expenses in this related for in this all banks in this operating expenses mentioned for the continuous in these schedules. Firstly, payment to the provision for employees, amount mentioned outer for the current year column. Next, rent, taxes and lighting, amount mentioned for the year current year column. Next, printing and stationery, amount mentioned here. Advertisement and publicity, depreciation on bank properties, all amount mentioned for current year column. Next, director fees, allowances and expenses, mention amount here. Next, auditor fees and expenses, amount mentioned for the year. Law charges fees, amount mentioned here. Postage, telegram, telephone, etc. expenses are here mentioned. Next, repair and maintenance, amount mentioned here. Insurance, amount mentioned here. Other expenditure, amount mentioned here. All amount are total here mentioned in this schedule number 16 are closed, and in which amount transfer for form number B. Form number B, profit and loss account, major point under second, expenditure under in the schedule number 16 in this total transferable. In this close for the schedule number 16. In this all schedule close, in this all format compulsory form number A, balance sheet, form number B, profit and loss account, and all schedules 1st to 16, all schedule format, these are the compulsory format in this problem solution. In this continuous all schedules related, the all format are compulsory. In this firstly close all schedule, only schedule number second in this lastly close, all schedule close, and secondly close form number B, profit and loss account. In this form number secondly close form number B, and thirdly close schedule number second reserve and surplus, and schedule number second close, and lastly close for form number A, balance sheet. In this are problem in this bank close and our problem tallies. In this all today discuss the all format for the Banking Regulation Act 1949 under all the format in these banking schedules, and form number A and form number B in this important format. Tomorrow lecture in this discuss and problem solution for the tomorrow lecture in this Banking Companies Act and Banking Regulation Act related the practically problem solved for the tomorrow lecture. Thank you.